closer standard installation. Method 1. Mount the door closer on the door. Mount the holder on the door frame. Two parts need to be installed on the pull side of the door. Step 1. According to the opening angle, select the installation dimension. Drill the pilot holes on the door and door frame according to the installation dimension. Separate the rocker arm and screw stem. Attention! Select the proper opening angle. Select the right installation dimension and opening side. Step 2. Mount the main body and holder. Attention! The regulating valve need to face to the hinge. Step 3. Using composite screws, connect the rocker arm and main body. Attention! The screws must be tightened up. Step 4. Adjusting the length of screw stem. Connect the rocker arm with the screw stem. Attention! The screw stem must be perpendicular to the door.